Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your Jis News for Wednesday, January 8. Government is in the final stages of negotiation for the third phase of the Citizen Security and Justice Program, CSJP, a community crime and violence prevention initiative. Under Phase 3 of the program, $55 million will be spent in communities over the next 4 years.
We will have quite substantial amounts to build social cohesion in communities, to increase employment and training, to deal with community justice level mechanisms, restorative justice programs, dispute resolution programs, and building the capacity of community leadership.
Minister Bunting was updating Jis News on the Unite for Change campaign, which was designed to galvanize the support of all stakeholders to promote peace and minimize crime. One organization called Children First has been playing its role in the peace-building initiative. The entity has conducted interactive sessions with children in Central Village St. Catherine to offer counseling and promote conflict resolution.
We use activities to let them express themselves. When we get the messages out, we come up with possible solutions of how them as children can be agents of change within their community.
The Office of the Children's Registry, OCR, will be opening a parish office in Savlamar in less than 2 weeks. The opening of the Westmoreland Parish Office is part of activities to mark the agency's 7th anniversary, which is being observed under the theme, Be the Change, Speak Out, Protect Our Children. Other activities include a church service in Kingston, a session on residential childcare facilities, the launch of new mission and vision statements, a new website and newsletter, and Pondicona reasoning sessions. In a release, Registrar at the OCR, Greg Smith, said that of the over 2,000 missing children reports received by the agency and the JCF's Missing Persons Call Center in 2013, more than 1,600 children were recovered. The OCR, which began operations in January 2007, is responsible for assessing reports of child abuse and referring them to the relevant authorities for investigation. Jamaicans, particularly athletes, are being advised to take greater care when consuming supplements. The call came from the Minister with Responsibility for Sport, Natalie Nita Headley, at Friday's launch of the Joie de Vie Wellness Festival. According to the Minister, the supplements industry is an unregulated money-making venture which is not as effective as eating well.
We implore all our athletes as well as our citizens, the coaches and the administrators and the managers of them. We are responsible for what we take into our bodies, not for what is being sold on the shelves, but for what we take into our bodies. We have ultimate responsibility.
With much emphasis being placed on economic growth, Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites is adamant that the education system has to be practical and relevant to achieve the objective.
Unless we are prepared to ensure that we have a rounded workforce whose skills, whose attitudes, and whose general behavior patterns are conducive to productivity, to earned reward, and to sustainable advancement of skills, then I don't care who is our partner from whichever country or internally, we cannot succeed.
Minister Thwaites was speaking on Tuesday at a power breakfast hosted by the Council of Community Colleges of Jamaica. He said since a large portion of the expenditure budget was allocated to education, the system should reap tangible results. With 2014 being dubbed the Year of Student Achievement, Minister Thwaites is calling on the private sector and other stakeholders to participate more in the education process so that students will be equipped with the skills required to compete in a global market.
No more the turning back of the entrance to the HEART program because they haven't reached grade 9 level. Take them where they are. Connect with JFFL, the library, the community college, the extension school, wherever you can. So long as the zeal is there.
And finally, the Ministry of Education has appointed an acting principal to the HOPEWELL High School in Hanover, while alleged financial management breaches are investigated. Education Officer Leonie Dunwell is carrying out the task in the absence of Principal Joyce Irving, who has been placed on leave, while the school's Board of Governors probes the allegations. Portfolio Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites has indicated support for the board's effort to resolve the matter. While saying he hopes the matter will be quickly resolved, Minister Thwaites says the ministry's Montego Bay Regional Office will continue to provide assistance to the board and management of HOPEWELL High. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.